Hi, I'm Emily Jolie. So my experience with working with children with disabilities, this is my third year being a teacher in Elk River School District, and I teach preschool 4 and 5-year-olds in an inclusion classroom. So the past 3 years, I've been working with a special education teacher in an inclusion classroom. So that has given me a lot of experience, and I really enjoy it. And before working within the school district, I worked with Nysterman Associates doing in-home therapy and counseling with children and adolescents. So I've had about 5 to 6 years working with children between the ages of 3 and 18, and then about 4 years working with children with disabilities within the inclusion classroom. So what I'm hoping to gain from this class, I'm actually really excited to be taking a class more focused on the littles, so the preschool level and toddlers. I noticed that I've taken a lot of classes within this program more geared towards like K through 12th grade level, so I'm really excited to kind of focus on the younger level and kind of the resources and how to work with them. So previous experience with this topic, my undergrad is actually psychology, but I have a minor in early childhood, so I've taken quite a few classes on children development, infant, toddler, 4 and 5-year-olds. I've taken a lot of classes on those with my minor. So that's given me some experience. And then one item to share, I guess I kind of already said that my undergrad is actually in psychology, and I have 2 pugs, so one's laying on me. They're my pride and joy. Anyways, I'm looking forward to the semester and getting to know everyone.